language here. Okay? Here we go. So the first tool we're going to talk about is a computer. This is what we're going to be using for research, which is a huge part of the scientific method. Okay? We're also going to be using some calculators to calculate some of our measurements that we use in some of our experiments. Then we're going to be using some hand lenses. We have two different types.
Maybe you might take this outside.
Ooh, yes.
Find a bug and then you can look at it.
These are going to be for our investigation process, which is a huge part of the scientific method also. We have something called a microscope, which magnifies all those organisms we're going to be looking at. We have a meter stick, and then we all know a meter stick is used for measuring length. Very good. Then we have a stopwatch, which is used for measuring time. So maybe things like racing, we're going to have. We also have a balance beam, and I'm going to let Miss Reynolds show you how to use the balance.
So we can put two different liquids or solids in to see which is heavier or lighter, just like that.
I'm heavier. She's lighter. Got it? Okay.
Okay, then we're going to talk about magnets. Okay? We're going to be talking about the forces that push them together, the ones that pull them apart. We also are going to have our safety goggles.
Whoop, whoop.
Very good. And we also have some gloves that Connor's going to demonstrate. Come on. Very good. Okay. Test tubes. They hold liquids that we don't need to touch, so we keep the lids on. Very important. Our beakers, right here, they hold liquids that are hot and cold, so we've always got to be prepared. Make sure when you always touch, you use the back of your hand first to see the temperature, okay? Then we have a graduated cylinder, okay? These are special because they have measurements going all the way up. So you can see how many milliliters of liquid are in them, okay? Now, we're also going to be using lasers. We don't have one of them right now. So when we get to lasers, it's very, very important. Do not shine them in anyone's eyes or even out the windows. Because if you shine it out the window, it could shine in someone else's eyes on the playground. They're that strong, okay? What do y'all think? Do y'all think we're ready for some science?
Some science